Welcome back, YouTuber friends. It's Dylan, and in this video, I will be teaching you how to make your own drawing of Batgirl. So, here I am with a piece of paper. I've got my pencil. Let's begin. So we start with the top of the head, which is a circle, and then we draw another. This is going to be makes an upside down egg shape. And like I always say in my videos, draw lightly. And then we got to put in our guidelines. And then we need to draw this. This is how she's going to be posed. These are just guides. Okay, now let's start with her head. So we need to curve the bottom and then bring it up like this. And remember, she has bat ears. And then we curve the top. And remember to put another ear right there. And now we have to draw her mask. And this is a little different than Batman's. So we draw this wave pattern. It will go like this. And then a line on that side right there. And then put a small straight line right here. That's going to be her nose. And then we draw these big kind of football shapes. Yeah, those are going to be her. Now we have to draw the eyes themselves. Because unlike Batman, she doesn't have whites in her eyes. And those eyes will be very similar shapes, except a little smaller. And don't forget to put the eyelashes. They're very important. Because this is Batgirl. Another one over here. And then we put two circles. Those are the pupils. And then we draw her mouth. She's going to be smiling, so we'll draw this line that's going to go like that. And then we've got the upper lip. The lower lip's going to be a lot thicker. And then we have to draw this. We have to draw her neck, which is like that. And then another circular shape that goes like this. That's where her cape tie goes. And now we're going to draw her bat logo right here. So you start with the head of the bat logo, the wings, the middle of the wings, and finally the tail, just like that. Okay, now we gotta draw her hair. So we'll start, because it sticks out from her cowl. So we'll start with the side, which is a C shape that goes like that. And we'll draw her arm, her upper arm. And then right up here, she's kind of like gliding or jumping. So her hair's gonna be like flying back. So we start with this big S shape and another S shape right there. Okay, now we need to draw her body. So we'll start with start with these weird shape here. And we'll do another straight line going this way. Then we draw a smooth line for this side of her body. We have to get our other arm. All right, now let's draw her belt. So we'll put these curves right here. We'll draw these two squares. They wrap around her body like this, and then a circle for the buckle. Almost like Robin's, except it's the belt, it's separated from the buckle. All right, now we draw the rest of her arm. And now we need to draw her gloves, which will start as these triangle shapes. And then when you're drawing the gloves, she's got these scallops. And remember, they go from big to medium to small. Like that. And then we'll put a simple square for her hand. Now let's get her other gauntlet. Unlike the other one, this one's going to be curved outward. And it's going to be a triangular shape like usual. So, 1, 2, and 3, like that. And then we'll draw a square. That's the guide for her hand. And now let's draw her hand. She's not going to have fists. She's going to have them like hands spread out. There's one finger. There's the other. The middle one. There's the last one. And here's the thumb. And now we have to get her other hand. So we'll start with the thumb. Here's her main finger. The middle one. There's the other one. And this is the pinky. I don't think it's really called the pinky, but we'll say it for that. We'll say that for this. And now, let's draw her legs. So we'll start with this one. We'll start with the more straight one. Well, actually, we need to do the bent one first. So we'll... draw one thigh here. And then draw this kind of oval for the tip of her leg. And don't forget, she's wearing a boot. So we have to draw a point and a U shape right there. And now we have to draw her other leg. So we'll draw her foot. You draw this kind of half oval for the foot here as well. And now we need to draw the point of her boot. And now we have to draw the cape. And it's gonna be consisting of a triangular shape, so we'll just start with this and this, and then we have to wrap it around like this. It's a little complicated, so draw lightly and take your time. Now let's make the top of the cape a little thicker. Got the points of her cape. Okay, now let's get the other part of her cape. So remember, we'll make the top end thick and dark. And then we'll make a point there. It's gonna have like 3 points, and this side's gonna have 2. And there, that's Batgirl. I hope this video helped you with your drawing, and if it did, like and subscribe. Hope that this video helped you. I'll see you next time.